Everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing pork spare ribs. Let's cook.
Tom Garvey the keto. Cook Tom Garvey the keto. Cook beef and butter and don't forget those ribs. Cook keto food, nothing from a box. Eat keto clean, no bagels but some lox. Tom Garvey the keto. Cook Tom Garvey the keto. Cook beef and butter and don't forget those ribs.
Everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be making oven roasted, fall off the bone spare ribs. I got a good deal on it. One pack was $16, 2 big spare ribs in the pack. Now, spare ribs you can leave alone, cook them just the way they are, or you can trim them down into Kansas City style ribs and also use the meat from the chine bone and cut off all the other extra trimmings on it. That's what I'm doing. I'm putting everything into the pan and we're going to oven roast this till it falls off the bone. This is for everybody out there who does not have a barbecue pit or a gas grill. Same shoes I'm in. I do have a smoker, but I can't use it all the time. So this is for you. So kick back and let's get to it. Now, taking off the back membrane, that's just pure choice. If you want to take it off, take it off. If not, you can leave it on. I like it off because I like when I especially braising it, get all that juices in there and make sure that if you do season it and stuff on the back side, it all gels together. It all comes together. So there again, I'm going to take that heavy bone off the top. I'm going to square this up. You just find in between the rib and also that chine bone and just cut it down. I mean, it's all cartilage in there. You can't go wrong with it. Try to make it as square and even as possible. And all that is good eating meat right there. So what I'm going to do with this one is everything's going into the same pan, into the oven. By the way, this is going to go in at 400 degrees for the probably first 30 minutes, and then I'll adjust it from there. And what I'm going to be doing is this is going to be seasoned with Tommy Spice only, nothing else. And what I do is I have just about an empty bottle of barbecue sauce, and I'm going to put some water into it, slosh it around, and that's going to be the braising liquid for it. And I'll finish it with just a little bit of barbecue sauce. Now, this barbecue sauce is low in carbohydrates, and that's why I use it, and it really tastes good. A little bit goes a long way. I can't get no better than that. All right, so I'm going to play some music here, and pretty much everything else self-explanatory. Okay, now cut the rest of the meat up into like bite-sized pieces. You know, it's got the cartilage in there, and you see part of the chine bone that's there from both of them. Put everything around the edges, and we're going to Tommy Spice it one more time, and then I'm going to get ready to add in the braising liquid. Now, I'm not going to completely cover it, just going to put it on the bottom, get some of that steamy flavor up in there. That's another reason why I took off the membrane on both these ribs. Okay, I'm going to sprinkle this on here. And it's going to go, like I said, oven into 450 and then uncovered. And then I'll bring it down to like 350 to finish it. So this whole thing should take about just close to maybe an hour and 10 minutes.
Keto cooking, Tom Garvey, the keto cook. Live from Las Vegas, it's keto cooking, Tom Garvey, the keto cook.
All right, they are done. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let them cool just a little bit, but then I'm going to cut in the middle of it and pull a rib out and give it a taste. Now, I had it at 400 degrees, dropped it down to 350 to finish. Put a little bit more of the barbecue sauce on top, brushed it on very lightly. Tommy Spice, they are done. Now, these are not, when you pick them up, the meat falls off the bone. If you bite into it, it'll pull away from the bone. That's the way I like it. So if I pick it up with the tongs, it won't break it in half. Still has a little texture to it. So, all right, listen, everybody, thank you so much for watching. I am Tom Garver, the Keto Cook. This was a Keto Quickie. Those who don't have an outside facility to do barbecue ribs, there you see it right there in the oven. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. Catch you next time.
Don't forget those ribs. With beef and butter, and don't forget those